So here we have baby Cookie, baby Biscuit, and baby Cream.
Hi, little babies. I'm taking you out of your nest so that we can clean your nest today. Looks like your feathers are coming in. He's got little orange cheeks already.
Woo! Baby Cream's got a fight in him.
Okay, so we're going to try and feed the baby cockatiels. This is baby Cookie. Here we go. Oh.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Here we go, Cookie. Mm-hmm.
His crop's filling up. Oh, his crop's filling up like a balloon, Dad.
Here you go, little Cookie. So we don't want to put too much in his mouth because he could drown. It could go down his windpipe. We just want to put just enough so he can swallow it.
That looks good.
He likes it.
Here we go. Baby fed. He's fed now. Yummy.
Oh, he's wandering around. Okay, that's enough wandering around out of you. Let's try and feed some of the other babies. Here we go. What's this one?
This is baby Cream.
Here we go, Cream. So let's pick her up. Let's pick up baby Cream. Here we go, little baby Cream. Here we go.
Her crop looks a little empty, so let's see if it'll fill up right here.
Here you go. That's good, huh?
Oh, there you go, baby bird.
Oh.
Okay.
She's got to open her mouth. Come on.
She's got it in. She's opening.
There you go. That's good, huh? Mm-mm-mm. Oh, look, their crop looks kind of full now, huh?
Let's see it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's big. You can see it on the camera. She looks happy now. She's got it all over her beak. She's a messy eater, isn't she?
All right, and you want to try feeding Biscuit?
Okay. All right, here.
Stop the recording.
Okay, here we go. Baby Biscuit. go.
Open wide.
There we go. I got a little bit of it. Open. There we go. Try to get a little more in there. Yummy. It definitely is enjoying it. You can see the babies closing their eyes. They're probably full and ready to go to bed for a while.
Okay, so we're gonna feed the babies one more time here. We're putting the syringe in their mouth and then they seem to be opening their beak. Here we go. Oh,
Oh, good baby.
a little too much, but it came out. Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go.
Good baby.
Now one more cookie.
Okay, hello, Cookie. Hello, Cookie.
Yum yum.
Got it.
There you go.
Oh, the babies. All right, and that's just about their dinner. Look at how happy they are.
All done. Hi, little babies. We just fed them and put them back in their clean nest. And they're looking happy and chubby. Cookie, biscuit, back there, and this is cream. Here you go, Scrappy. Here we go. Step up. There we go. Good job, Scrappy. You're defending your nest. There we go. He used to say pretty bird and whistle, but now Peach, his son, says pretty bird and whistles. Since he got Mango, all he does is think about her all day long.